Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very easy and fancy party hairstyle for girls. First of all, take some loose hair from the right side and make braid. After making this much of braid, take some loose hair from the left side and attach them in the braid and continue making the braid. At the end, tuck the braid with the help of a pin. Now take some loose hair from the left side and make the braid. Similarly, take some loose hair from the right side and indulge them in the braid and continue making braid. Follow the same pattern by taking the braid again to the left hand side and taking some more loose hair from the left side and zigzag this pattern and continue making braids this way. As you can see how beautiful this design is turning out. Make sure that you tuck the braid while making the other braid with the pin. Finally, at the end, release the hair from the pin and attach them with the beautiful rubber band. So friends, here I am using fancy pearl clips or pearl pins to highlight the design. This is very simple and very beautiful design, especially for girls. Do try this design. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.